So I bought this mouse recently from Amazon. Delivery was very quick, I must say. It actually took shorter than I actually expected. The mouse is pretty good so far. It has a silent click. You hear a slight noise, but it's not that loud. Just a slight thump you hear when you click, but it's pretty good. I must say it's exceptional. I'll give this a 6 star if possible. You have the on switch around here. You have the option to change the backlighting and the keep and the mouse itself. As you can see, you can change it. It's very fast, very fast. Sorry for the poor. Oh, here it is. It's very fast, very fast. It reacts as soon as you move the mouse. Um, yeah. So far it's so good. I have no issues yet, and I don't think I'm gonna ever have an issue with it. Right now, I'm loving this product right now.